Welcome back. Now news from sports. Dempo Sports Club have done what no other club has managed to achieve in Indian football history. The squad fully deserves the 20 lakh rupees award announced by Chairman Shrinivas Dempo during the felicitation of the I-League champions at the Dempo headquarters in Panaji. But the overriding emotion of Shrinivas Dempo was how will he find the business model to run the club. Nevertheless, amidst all the challenges, the chairman is looking forward to drive the club on, going to the extent of changing the club name to city-centric entity if need be. The players, coaching staff and dignitaries arrive with the trophy to the shower of blue and white Dempo colour confetti. The joyous occasion was celebrated by cutting of the cake with Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar slicing through the cake. Parrikar disclosed a little-known fact about him, saying he was a footballer in his school and college days and went on to congratulate the club. Sports Minister Ramesh Tavadkar hailed the players for working hard. Chairman Shrinivas Dempo announced cash bonus of 20 lakh rupees but looked concerned about lack of breakthrough in working out a business model.
One is there is a severe commitment. There's a serious commitment, a serious passion, serious emotional attachment towards carrying on football. And the other is at what cost. Just now, Arman gave me a shocker saying you maintain the team. But we really have to sit down, both of us together, to decide at what cost do we maintain the team. And how do we see a revenue model in place. And that's the reason that I made an announcement that we have to move to being a Dempo-centric team to a larger audience. And when we say a larger audience, we need not number in thousands, but we need in lakhs. And even if we say that we can get a certain amount of commitment from people buying, we've tried a lot of things. Goan teams, including us, have tried selling merchandise. It doesn't work. It just doesn't work here. People go and spend $100 to buy an EPL t-shirt. Okay, they'll buy $100, but they won't buy for $10 a Dempo t-shirt. So I think something's going wrong somewhere, and I have come to the conclusion that we need to involve the people. People have to get a sense, like the IPL, like the cricket thing which is going on. People need to get a sense that no, this is not Mr. Dempo's team, this is my team. All of you all who are based in Panjim should say my team won. People always acknowledge who is promoting, who is the lead promoter. But I think that sense will come, and then only you will get a buy-in. That when 50,000 or 40,000 people go to a stadium and watch that it's my team, people will realize that it's worth sponsoring this team. Today, no sponsor, 5 titles in 8 years, not a single sponsor is coming to you saying we are interested. Coach Arman Culasso is still hoping that he is able to retain highest scoring striker Renty Martins, while the Nigerian believes his time with Dempo has come to an end.
I don't think Renty Martin will go anywhere because he has got a strong bond not only to Dempos but also to me. I'm the one who had brought him. For long 8 years he has been with me. I understand him. He understands me, and I'm sure he'll try to stay back.
With sports editor Neeraj Prabhu, a video journalist Onkar Farari from Panaji. Churchill brothers secured third place in the I-League after defeating Pioneers in their final league game on Sunday evening. The Reds scored a 3-2 victory at home over the upcoming footballers playing under the banner of Pioneers. Former champs Churchill finished on 48 points, that is 9 points behind champions Dempo Sports Club and 3 behind runners-up East Bengal.
The final league match of 2011-12 season was more of interest to Churchill brothers. A win here would take the former champions to third place. That is exactly what happened. Churchill scored 3 goals to clinch full 3 points and climbed up to third place in the final standings. Churchill played 26 league matches, out of which the Warka-based club won 14. Churchill drew 6 and lost the same number of matches to take 48 points for the season. On the other hand, Pioneers failed to impress in the league and finished in the relegation zone with just 16 points for the season. However, being a developmental Indian football side, Pioneers will continue to play in the I-League. Our reporter from Fatarda, Sameer Bhatt.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar's supportive words towards the cause of basketball in the state would have come as a soothing balm to the basketball enthusiasts. Parrikar promised to give improved infrastructure and help in taking basketball forward in the state. He was speaking at the opening ceremony of National Sub-Junior Championship at Verna. Basketball has suffered over the last decade or so, with people claiming that association itself is not working in the interest of the sport in the state. But with Parrikar's assurances, a new era could soon begin.
I declare the 39th National Basketball Championship for Sub-Junior Boys and Girls open.
Parrikar was a chief guest at the opening ceremony of 39th National Sub-Junior Boys and Girls Basketball Championship at Agnel Ashram premises in Verna on Sunday evening. 49 teams have taken part in the championship, which will conclude on 12th of this month.
By the request of a basketball good international court, we are having 3 events in succession. One is first is Lucifania Games, then U17 in football, and then the national games. So we'll definitely put up some good facilities in basketball which are of international quality. And with that, hopefully let's take ahead of Alex also, because he seems to be quite favorable with the fathers here. So if they want to start it from there, we will work out some facility from here.
A reporter from Verna, Savio Dice.
Zamra is rich in calcium. It is believed that this fruit helps in controlling diabetes. It is easily available in the state during summer, but this homemade jamun squash is healthy and preferred drink during summer. Watch our special series on summer, Beat the Heat with me, Aparna.
Party people all around me feeling hot, hot, hot.
जांभळा तुम्ही पळयल्याच आसतली. गरमेच्या दिसांनी खूप मेळटा. तुम्ही खाल्या आसतली. हांवूय खाता. पूण ह्या गरमेन हांव फक्त जांभळा खावन उगी रावपाचें ना. This time I'm going to beat the heat in a different way. पळय, she has some innovative ideas. आनी आतां खंय ती जांभळाचें आमकां स्क्वॉश करून ना. पळया कशें करता तें.
जांभळा काढून धुवून ताजी तुरमण काडपाक जाय. कित्याक तुरमणान एखादी कीड बी आसूं शकता. आनी ते काडून मागीर ती जांभळा बी बॉयल करून घेवप मातशी.
सॉफ्ट जायसर बॉयल केल्यार पुरो.
सॉफ्ट जायसर बॉयल करप.
आता परत स्मॅश करून म्हणजे तुम्ही ते
बियो काढून घेवप. अच्छा. एक वेळ हातूंत मातशें सायट्रीक एसीड चड घालप, कित्याक आंबटसाण कमी आसता. दोन वाटी मातशें कमी घाल्यार जाता, कित्याक गोडशान आसा कांदा. फळाच्या गोडी प्रमाणे कमी जास्त
आता एक
एक्स्ट्रा आंबट
म्हणजे जर फळ आंबट असेल जाल्यार सायट्रीक एसीड कमी घालप. आता हातून उदक घालपाचें. बरें जालां. जांभळा खाल्या हांवें, पूण केन्ना खबर नाशिल्लें की ताजें सरबत करता. सो बाजारांत वचून फक्त जांभळा घेनाका, ताजें सरबतूय करून पळयात. Don't Don't worry, if you have missed this bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.